If you have opened ChatGPT, stared at that blank text box, and had absolutely no idea what to type, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, you are going to go from complete beginner to actually using ChatGPT in a way that saves you real time, starting today. We'll cover how to sign up for free, the 5 startup prompts every beginner needs, the mistakes that waste your time, and quick tips to get better results instantly. If you are new here, hit subscribe. We break down AI tools every week in plain English. No tech background needed. Alright, let's get into it. So what actually is ChatGPT? Here's the simplest way to think about it. It's like texting a really smart friend who knows about almost everything and actually texts you back. Unlike Google where you search for a link, ChatGPT gives you an actual answer. You don't hunt through 10 websites, you just ask and it talks back. It writes emails, explains complicated topics, builds plans, summarizes long documents, helps you study and brainstorms ideas. You name it. And the best part, you don't need to be technical at all. If you can send a text message, you can use ChatGPT. That's it. Okay, let's get you set up. First, go to chatgpt.com. I will put the link in the description. You will land on this page. Click sign up. It's free. There are 4 options. Continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with phone or use email address. Pick whatever is easiest for you. In this video, I will show you how to sign up using email. Enter your email at the given space and click continue. After that, go to your email and copy the code sent by ChatGPT. Paste it. That's it. ChatGPT will ask you to fill some questions. Once you answer them, you are in. Once you are in, you will see this clean interface. There's a text box at the bottom. That's where you type. There's a chat history on the left, and up top, you will see which model you are using. On the free plan, you get GPT-4o, which is genuinely excellent. You don't need to pay to get started. There is a paid version called ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month. It gives you faster responses and some extra features, but honestly, for beginners, the free version is more than enough. Don't spend $1 until you have used it for a few weeks. Okay, this is the part that actually matters. I'm going to give you 5 prompts you can copy right now and get real value from today. I will show you each one live. The first prompt is just asking it to explain something you don't understand. The magic trick here is adding explain it like I am 15. That phrase makes ChatGPT drop all the complicated language and give you the clearest possible explanation. You can swap in any topic like crypto, how a mortgage works, what machine learning is, anything. Watch this. Amazing, right? Prompt 2. Paste in something you have written and ask ChatGPT to improve it. An email, a text to your landlord, a cover letter. It doesn't just fix grammar, it completely rewrites the tone. This one alone saves me probably an hour a week. Watch this. Nice, right? Prompt 3. Create a plan. Ask it to build you a plan. Workout plan, study schedule, meal plan, budget. Be as specific as you want. The more detail you give it, the better the plan it returns. Watch this. See how detailed that is? That would have taken me an hour to put together myself. Prompt 4. Summarize long content. Paste in a long article, a terms and conditions page, meeting notes, anything long. Ask for bullet points. This is a game changer if you are a student or just deal with a lot of reading at work. Let me paste an article and show this to you. And in last, brainstorm ideas. Stuck on a business idea? Ask ChatGPT. Need a gift ideas? Ask ChatGPT. Can't think of a caption for your post? Ask ChatGPT. It's a thinking partner available at any hour of the day, and it doesn't judge your half-baked ideas. Watch this. Okay, nice. So far we have talked about explaining things simply, rewrite your writing, create a plan, summarize long content and brainstorm ideas. Now I will show you 3 common mistakes that beginners make. Mistake number 1. Being too vague with your prompts. If you type help me with my email, you will get generic, useless answer. But if you type help me write a polite follow-up email to a client who hasn't replied in 2 weeks, keep it under 100 words, now you get something actually useful. The more context you give, better the output. Think of it like briefing a new assistant. Mistake 2. Trusting everything it says. ChatGPT is incredibly smart, but it can also be confidently wrong. It can make up facts, get dates wrong, or hallucinate sources. For anything important, health decisions, legal questions, financial choices, always verify with the second source. Use it as a starting point, not the final word. Mistake 3. Giving up after one bad answer. This is the biggest one. If the first response isn't what you wanted, don't start over. Just reply and say, that's not quite what I meant. Can you try again with more focus on what you need? ChatGPT holds the full conversation in memory. Refine it like a back and forth conversation, not a one-shot search engine. Before I wrap up, 3 quick tips that will make you a better ChatGPT user immediately. Tip number 1. Tell it who you are. Start prompts with context like I am a college student writing a paper on or I am a business owner looking to. It tells us everything to your situation. Just look at this comparison. On the left hand side, I will not say who I am with the request, but on the right hand side, I will say who I am with the request. See the difference. Tip number 2. Give it a role. Say act as a nutritionist and help me plan my meals or act as a financial advisor. It changes how it responds entirely. Tip number 3. Ask it to think step by step. For complex questions, think through this step by step at the end. You will get much more thorough answer. In this comparison on left hand side, I will just write the prompt in normal way, but in right hand side, I will ask it to think step by step. And that's it. That's everything you need to go from complete beginner to actually using ChatGPT in a useful way starting today. If this helps you out, subscribe and drop a comment below. I will see you in the next one.